My dear students, viewers, Namaskar, Jai. If you can see the western boundary of Indian nation, you can find such features. My dear student, here is the Muzaffarabad, or here you can locate Sialkot. My dear students, at this point you can locate a particular shahar, city, Murid Ke, or just below Murid Ke you can find Lahore, or opposite side in Indian territory you can find Amritsar. After Lahore, you can find a city in deep Punjab known as Bahawalpur. Or here you can find Kotli, or this point is also in news at this time. The name of city is Bhimbar, Kotli, Muzaffarabad, Sialkot, Murid Ke, Bahawalpur. My dear students, you can divide this city into categories. These are situated in POK, Pak Occupied Kashmir, or these Sialkot, Murid Ke and Bahawalpur. It's situated in Punjab province of Pakistan. Three centers, Muzaffarabad, Kotli and Bhimbar, are basically launch pads or the infiltration centers for terrorist intrusion in India. Or here, these three cities located in Pakistan, not in POK, Punjab province of Pakistan, Sialkot, Murid Ke and Bahawalpur. These are located in Pakistan. Or these three cities, Muzaffarabad, Kotli, Bhimbar, located in Pak Occupied Kashmir, along with the line of control. My dear students, these are the 6 targets of Operation Sindoor executed by Indian Armed Forces on 7 May 2025. In response to counter the terrorist attack at Pulwama, in which 4 terrorists associated with a very new name established in 2019, the Resistance Force, popularly known as PRF. My dear students, TRF is nothing but outfit of Lashkar-e-Toiba. TRF terrorist in Pulwama on 22nd March identified, captured 22 Indian only Hindu tourists and brutally gunned down them in front of their wives and children. This incident of terror attack create a great level of restlessness and anger in the hearts and minds of Indians. Prime Minister Modi assured and promised to take the revenge of this terrorist attack beyond their imagination. Operation Sindoor, the code name of this revenge operation executed by Indian Armed Forces, targeted these centers of terrorists and destroyed these 6 cities located near launch pads and command centers, killing a lot of terrorists. My dear students, nowadays 2 main terrorist organizations indulge in this heinous crime against Indian or India. First is Lashkar-e-Taiba and second is Jaish-e-Mohammed. Lashkar-e-Taiba led by Hafiz Saeed, while Jaish-e-Mohammed was founded and led by a very notorious name among the network of cross-border terrorism, Azhar Masood. Azhar Masood. My dear students, Azhar Masood led Jaish-e-Mohammed attacked in India at several times. Attack on Indian Parliament and 26/11 on Mumbai. Azhar Masood, the head of Jaish-e-Mohammed, controlled this whole system from Bahawalpur, the headquarter of Jaish-e-Mohammed, और मुरीद के is the headquarter of Lashkar-e-Toiba. Lashkar-e-Toiba created a new group of terrorists named the Resistance Force in 2019. Its responsibility is taken by TRF, the Resistance Force, nothing but a outfit of Lashkar-e-Toiba. So, Indian Armed Forces in Operation Sindoor targeted the centers of terrorists in POK or also in Punjab. 3 launch pads situated in Muzaffarabad, Kotli and Bhimbar, and 3 centers in Pakistan, Murid, Bahawalpur and Sialkot. My dear student, here you can also categorize them into 2 groups: Muzaffarpur, Kotli, Bhimbar and Sialkot. Basically the center of infiltration that is popularly known as launch pad, or Murid K is the head office, command center of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and Bahawalpur holds the command center of Jaish-e-Mohammed. So these 6 cities, 3 in Pakistan Punjab province and 3 in occupied Kashmir, are brutally attacked by the air strike on 7 May 2025. In this attack, a large number of terrorists have been killed. Probably some commanders of Pakistan Army were also killed, because all of we are aware about this fact. These launching pads and command centers have been developed over last 30 years, beginning from 1990. A network, complex network of recruitment of terrorists, their indoctrination, training and infiltration in Indian territory. So probably some veteran commanders of Pakistani army were also killed in Operation Sindoor, it became very clear when we saw the reels or videos. Commanders of, not only commanders of Pakistani army, but also their general, their defense minister, even prime minister, pay homage, tribute, their tribute to these terrorists who were killed in Operation Sindoor. So it is very clear. They were not terrorists, but we are also commanders of Pakistani army who deputed there in order to train the terrorists were also killed. So large number of Pakistani soldiers, commanders and politicians, including Prime Minister and Home Minister, pay their tribute, offering flowers on the tabuts of individuals who were killed in Operation Sindoor. My dear student, the most strange thing was the killing of Wagner handlers of Jaish Mohammed when air strike was executed in Bahawalpur under Operation Sindoor. In this attack, air strike at Bahawalpur, it was reported that some Wagner handlers were killed, including more than 10 brothers, brother-in-laws, sons and son-in-laws of Azhar Masood. So I dare to say before you, सिंदूर मिटाने वालों को क्या सिंदूरी सौगात मिला. The terrorist on 22 March at Pahalgam killed the male persons, making their wives widow or eliminating the sindoor or vermilion, which is the symbol of her living husband or the better half. My dear students, more than 10 brothers, brother-in-laws and sons or son-in-laws of Azhar Masood have been killed. So it is a matter of concern. This person, Azhar Masood, have been found saying that it would be better if I died. So you must be aware that Azhar Masood get the punishment in very severe, acute form. It is a matter of concern for other handlers or organizers of other terrorist group, whatso they were Hafiz Saeed or Salahuddin or even Dawood, may take their lesson of restlessness in the mind of Azhar Masood, who was compelled to bury his 16 family members at the same time. Such type of punishment is destined, is a must for all of them who want to get something or to impose their personal thoughts, habits on others by the use of force. सिंदूर मिटाने वाले को क्या सिंदूरी अंजाम मिला, आतंकी आका के घर 16 परिजन का लाश मिला. My viewers, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. In the next video, I shall try to put before you, may be more interested because Turkey provided one of the most updated version of drones to Pakistan, or in the retaliation of Operation Sindoor, they targeted more than 30 cities of India by the drones which they gifted, which they were gifted by Turkey, completely destroyed. Any drone could not achieve its target. All has been destroyed in air by a very updated, advanced, extraordinary S-400, popularly known as Sudarshan Chakra, which identified all drones and missiles used by Pakistan to target our major cities in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana and Jammu, were traced, identified and targeted by counter missile go to be completely failed. So what version of drones is used by India, or what types of drones, especially Songar made by AC Guard, Angara, Turkey, Ankara based institution. AC Guard developed a very advanced version of Songar fighter drones. These drones has been gifted to Pakistan, or Pakistan used them to target the Indian cities, but S-400 traced them in air. So the interesting story of the drones used by India or the drones used by Pakistan would be the matter of next video. Let me allow to end this episode. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande